Hello, friends. Do you want to improve your English in a fun and easy way? Then make sure to watch this story until the end. It will help you learn new vocabulary and understand English sentences naturally. Listen carefully. Focus on the words and expressions, and don't forget to repeat them to improve your pronunciation. Also, don't forget to support us by liking, sharing the video with your friends, and subscribing to the channel for more exciting educational stories. Let's get started.
Have you ever lost something important? We've all been there. And today, we're going to share a story about Sarah's day at the park that taught her a valuable lesson. Picture this: a perfect sunny afternoon with golden rays filtering through the leaves of a massive oak tree. Sarah and her friends have spread out their checkered blanket, unpacking sandwiches and snacks from their bags. Sarah's trusty blue backpack sits beside her, containing her treasured belongings, her new phone, a well-worn novel, and her lunch. The afternoon unfolds like a perfect summer memory. After lunch, the group discovers an old frisbee in one of their bags. Soon they're running and laughing, the frisbee sailing between them in graceful arcs across the green grass. The hours slip by like minutes, but as the sun begins to dip and the friends gather their things, Sarah's heart skips a beat. Her blue backpack, it's gone. The group springs into action, searching behind trees, under bushes, and around benches. But as darkness approaches, they have to call it a day, leaving Sarah worried and frustrated. The next morning, Sarah returns to the park, determination in her steps. She spots a park ranger in his khaki uniform and asks for help.
Excuse me, Ranger? I think I lost something yesterday. It's a blue backpack.
The ranger says with a knowing smile.
Follow me.
Follow me. Inside the ranger station, there's a simple cardboard box labeled Lost and Found. And there, nestled among forgotten water bottles and misplaced sweaters, is Sarah's blue backpack.
Oh my gosh, it's here! And everything's still inside. Thank you so much.
Everything inside is exactly as she left it. This story might seem simple, but it teaches us something important. Sometimes when things go wrong, help is closer than we think. Park rangers, lost and found boxes, and kind people who turn in lost items, they're all part of a community that looks out for each other. And Sarah? Well, she learned to be more mindful of her belongings. Now, before leaving any place, she does her double-check dance, a quick spin to look around and make sure she has everything. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. What matters is learning from them and knowing that there are always people willing to help us along the way.